What's going on, everybody? Yvonne here. Now, as you guys have probably seen, knowing when someone has opened your email or not can be a game changer when it comes to customer success and sales. But from any direction you look at it, it's really nice to know if someone has opened your email or not. And that's exactly where platforms like Mailbutler come in, because they can let you guys know exactly when they opened it, how many times they opened it, and what did they click on. And that information can be huge in determining where you guys are going to send in your next outreach. So in this guide, we're going to walk you guys through on how to utilize email tracking within Mailbutler, and that way it can help with your guys' email efforts. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, in order for us to get started, let's first install Mailbutler onto our email system. So once we get to their website, let's go ahead and try it for free. So click on this link, and we're going to select what type of email client do you guys use. It can be Apple Mail, Outlook Web, Outlook App, or Gmail. I personally use Gmail, so I'm going to go ahead and stick with that. From here, we got to install it through Chrome. So go ahead and go to Chrome Store, and boom, you guys should be directed to this window right over here. I already have it installed, but there should be a button here, press install it to Chrome, and you guys are going to be ready to rock. Once you guys install it, make sure that the Chrome extension is activated, and it's going to pop up right over here on the right hand side. And once you guys make an account and log in, you guys are going to have a free trial for 14 days. Now, to answer the question you came here for, how does email tracking work within Mailbutler? In order to activate email tracking, it's super simple. All we need to do is just first compose our email, and as you guys see right over here, there's going to be a little option here, email tracking. We can either track it, and if we uncheck it, boom, we're not tracking anymore. But if we go ahead and check it, we can actually track only opens or opens and clicks. But I just got to warn you that sometimes when you track both link clicks and opens, it can go to spam, but this is very, very rare. So I personally only track opens, but you can also go ahead and track open and clicks. So essentially, every single time someone opens up your guys' email, you can see when they opened it, how many times they opened it, and what did they click on. And the place where you're going to see all that further information is going to be here on the right hand side, where it's going to be track emails, so you can see how many been unopened and how many been opened. And from there, you can structure your outreach accordingly. Now, here are some of my best practices. Number one, make sure that you guys are sending follow-ups accordingly. For example, if somebody's clicking on your guys' email, opening up a lot, make sure you guys follow up as soon as possible, right? You want to strike the iron while it's hot. Again, this can depend on the situation. Like, for example, if you send an email and then 10 minutes later, they're opening it up, don't send another email right away. However, here's another example for you. Let's say you send an email and you didn't get a response for it, and it's already been 24 hours. But you guys are seeing that they're interacting with it, they're clicking on the links, but they're just not responding to you. And that's where sending a follow-up makes sense, because as I said before, striking the iron while it's hot can be a good idea in most situations, especially if there's been a couple days before you guys sending an email and when you guys send the follow-up. The second piece of advice that I have for you guys is, if you guys are using any type of email tracking for you guys marketing emails, double down on that, because you guys are putting a ton of effort into your guys marketing, all the way through subject lines to the graphics to the actual content inside of the email. You want to know exactly what people are clicking on and what are they avoiding, because at the end of the day, if you guys cannot get your customer through the entire customer journey, all the way from them seeing your stuff to them clicking on it to booking time with you to later converting, right? What's the point? So you got to make sure that you have systems in place to know exactly what are they clicking on, because that way you'll know exactly what is working and what is not. And there you have it, folks. As you guys saw, knowing if somebody has opened your email or not can be a huge advantage in the email game. It can give you guys a better strategy on your guys' future outreaches, but at the same time, show you guys what is working and what is not. If you guys do want to try out the platform for yourself, the link for it is going to be below down in the description. And after that 2-week free trial of the platform, if you guys do want to keep using it, but you want a little bit of a discount, make sure to use the code CharlieChangMedia for a 15% discount off the platform. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.